Hey, hi. Your Google reviews are disappearing from your Google review section. If yes, stay tuned. I'm going to explain all the things. Okay. Hey, hi. Myself Inayathh. I help small and medium business owners to scale their business through the funnels, websites, automation, CRM, and so and so. And also, I'll help the business, the people who want to the earns extra 50 to 1 lakh rupees per month through just by their skill by spending 1 or 2 hours per day and without quitting their job. And I'll help to set up and everything because I did that and I can teach you as well to do that. Okay. So now coming to the point here that how you can get back probably your Google reviews which are already disappear. The customer, the or your clients, they gave the reviews which are the honest and genuine reviews. So here nowadays Google is scrutinizing very stringently because to have their the the platform up to the quality. Okay, so here let's say why it is happening. It is happening because the Google may think that or the algorithm think that it may be fake or it may be not as per the Google policy or it may something strange. That's why this will happen. So if in that case, let's say, what are the methods? So what we can do as a business owner is that we can send an appeal to the Google. Only that is the way we can do. So how we can get that back? If when you send the appeal, if Google finds these are the genuine and these are as per the Google policy, then Google will restore that. And after sending the appeal, if still Google finds that these are not genuine, these are not as per the policy, you will not get that forever back your reviews. So in this video, I'm going to explain how you can send the appeal to get the reviews back or review the appeal for the getting reviews back. Okay. So now, when you go to the your Google My Business profile, let's say this is my one of the Google by business profile. Just I made this a few days back, and it's there not enough reviews. And if you see there are another 2 or 3 reviews were there, but those are disappearing. So what I can do here is that I will go to the here, click on this profile strength unit, 3 dots, and go to the help and support, and go down here, click on the contact us, and once you click on that, it will ask that what can help with, which business do you need help with. You may be having multiple business. Select the one business which you want to send the appeal. Tell us what we can help with. So you say that um, reviews are not um, showing in reviews section. Okay, this is maybe which are given by our clients. And that you can do. And next, click on next. And this is the lengthy form. You have to do this. Next, here it will ask that choose the best description of these issues. Review missing, fix post, and that we are talking about review missing. So click on this review missing, click on the next. And here are the some of the Google policies. It is displaying before we move forward. You can read all those things. And they say verify that your clients are leaving reviews on the correct profile. Sometimes clients may leave the reviews on the wrong profile, business profile, which can result in review not showing upon the profile. This could be the one. And like it, there are many rules, regulation, and policies here there. If you want, you can see and go through all this. Okay. So, but now what I can do, I'll just click on the next step. Okay. So once you click on the next step, click on this email contact option. So what is your name? Let's say when you are submitting the review as a business owner, you send that you are the your name. Let's say I'll send I'll give my name here, and email ID I'll enter. This is the same. Enter the phone number here, country code, and this also you do. Next, this is my number. You enter your number. I think one number is missing here. Click on this. Okay. Next, what is your relationship to the business? You select that I own this business, or maybe I'm the employee, or maybe I'm consultant, whatever you are. So next, business name. What is the business name? Business name, I'll copy from here. Type very correctly. And business address, whatever business address you gave here, you copy from there. I'll go here. Or you can type. That's not an okay. I'll type here that business address. Let's say. Make sure that what is the business name and address given correct. Okay. What is your business profile ID? So business profile ID. Go to your business. Where to get business profile ID? Again, go to this three dot and go here business profile settings. Advanced setting, and this is your business profile ID, copy ID, go back here and paste here, and answer the next here. Has the profile recently been suspended or disabled? If it is yes, yes, or if it is no, no. And if you are not sure, not sure. And does the profile belongs to the elementary, secondary, or high school? No. This is mine is not? No. How many reviews are missing from the profile? 1 to 10, 1 to 20, and more than 50. Whatever you feel yours are missing, you select that. Are new reviews being published on the profile? If yes, yes, or no. In my case, it is no. So next, what is the time frame in which the reviews have been missing? For example, did they disappear all within the last week, or have to notice they were consistently disappearing over longer period of time? So disappearing within a week. So I will tell that in a week. Okay. Next, reviewer's name. Who gave the review to you? Let's say someone gave Rajesh, or maybe someone some XYZ name gave the review. You have to give those name. Let's say in my case, I will tell them Kishore. Okay. And next, if applicable, provide the name of reviewers who reviews are missing. Next, describe your issue. Again, we can say that reviews are disappearing. So reviews are disappearing in a week, which are given by our happy clients or customers. Okay, you type this. So next, what is your issue? Related case IDs. If you have that any, you read it here. If you have any related request, either resolved or outstanding, either in the applicable. If you have any case IDs before you requested, that you can add. Otherwise, you click on this submit. Okay. So what will happen once you submit, and you will get an email. But most importantly, what you need to do, you need to save this for your reference. Okay. So what will happen as soon as by this Google might have already sent an email. So keep that email and this screenshot very carefully, because we can send an again communication if it is not resolved. Wait for a day or two, and you will get email as soon as when you submit. But for the resolution, you need to wait for a day or two. So still, if you not get, and you send an email back. But in most of the case, within a 48 hours, Google will reply by saying that what is the issue exactly. If there are genuine, and if Google finds there are genuine reviews, and as per the Google policy, that will restore. Otherwise, they will give the reason and they will not restore. Okay, so hope this video is going to help you helpful, and you can Don't worry, if you are getting all the genuine reviews, you can get back from the Google. If those are not genuine, you will not get it. Okay, so hope this video is clear about your Google reviews issues disappearing, and it will helpful you to follow this process and get back your reviews. With that, I would request you to subscribe if you are not subscribed, and like, also give your comments and also thumbs up as well.